Audi shifts flagship focus to Q9, SUV amid A8 phase-out Audi is temporarily replacing its flagship A8 sedan with the upcoming Q9 SUV, signaling a strategic shift toward larger, high-demand vehicles, particularly in key markets like the US, China, and the Middle East. The move comes as the fourth-generation A8 nears the end of its production run, with German sales already halted and US availability dwindling. A8's sunset and the rise of the Q9, the decision to prioritize the Q9, reflects changing market preferences and a slowdown in demand for traditional luxury sedans. Audi CEO Gernot Dürrlner confirmed the Q9 will take the helm as the brand's flagship, at least until a potential A8 successor emerges later this decade. While the A8 will continue to be sold in the US and China until 2025, its eventual discontinuation is all but certain. Q9 details and platform. The Q9 will be built on Audi's platform Premium Combustion (PPC) architecture, an upgrade from the earlier MLB platform. This foundation supports advanced plug-in hybrid systems, crucial for maintaining competitiveness in evolving emissions regulations. The SUV is also closely related to the upcoming three-row Porsche SUV, codename K1. Initially planned as an EV, but adapted to meet current market demands. Spy shots confirm a design consistent with recent Audi aesthetic smooth surfacing and split headlights, though the final grille design remains unconfirmed. A8 successor plans. A shift in strategy. Originally, the A8's replacement was envisioned as the all-electric Grand Sphere concept. This sleek, coupe-like sedan boasted impressive specs: 530 kW/960 Nm dual-motor power, a 120 kWh battery for over 750 km range, and a low-slung profile. However, slower EV adoption, particularly in the luxury segment, has forced a re-evaluation. The A8's successor is still planned, but its form remains uncertain. Market implications. The A8's decline leaves a void in the ultra-luxury segment. With the Lexus LS already discontinued, the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes-Benz S-Class now enjoy near-exclusive dominance. Audi's move to prioritize the Q9 is a pragmatic response to market realities, a temporary adjustment until a viable A8 replacement can be developed. The shift highlights a broader trend in the automotive industry. Manufacturers are adapting to consumer preferences, sometimes abandoning long-standing models in favor of higher volume, more profitable alternatives.